Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.